you? Why have you gone away?
And see. Hi, welcome to Her Many Faces. I'm Bethany, and today we are going to do something fun and Christmas related. So stick around. Hey guys, let's just dive right in because I am very excited. I am very jacked. I am like in the mood for Christmas. I am ready to deck the halls. I am ready to get crafting. That's right. Today's video is all about crafts. Today we are going to be making a nativity set. One of my close friends actually made me a little stable because I had this idea to make my own nativity set with clay. It has taken me 3-4 years to actually get this done. So today we are going to make Mary, Joseph, and the baby Jesus, but I also want to make animals. Let's start doing. I got this air drying Crayola clay thing a bajillion years ago, and I honestly don't know if it's still good anymore. I am legitimately gonna open this on camera and find out if I can still use it. Are you ready? A drum roll, please. Survey says, oh, it is still pliable. Okay, that is good news. I think we're gonna start probably with the manger because I think that will be the easiest to do. I'm interested to see how this goes. I honestly have never done this before. This is not a tutorial. This is an exploration. So I'm trying to make a square shape. Just want it to like fit the actual size of what the people are gonna be. Is that a little too big? That might be a little too big. I might have to downsize. This is kind of a hack job, isn't it? But it's fun. This is my little manger, and that's pretty big, but again, he is the centerpiece of this whole thing. The manger is a pretty big part. Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. Next, I'm gonna make baby Jesus. I guess we'll start with the shape of a baby. Start with his body. It's been a long time since I've worked with clay, so I'm not even sure this is 100% gonna work. All right, I got a little body. I got a little head. We're gonna shove those together. See what that does. I bet he's gonna look like a teddy bear. Cute little baby Jesus teddy bear. Sounds fine. He's got little fat baby legs. Looks a little lopsided. It's okay. He kind of looks like a turkey. I do not think I'm much for sculpting. It's all about practice. You can't get good at something if you don't start. Alright, so that's baby Jesus. He does look a little more like a turkey than he does a teddy bear. I didn't claim to be good at this, okay? I claim to want to do an art and craft. Next we have Mary, and whenever I see the traditional nativity, it's always Mary like kneeling down at the manger as if she's like helping him. I'm really impressed with this clay. Like this is 5 years old maybe? I don't know, 4 or 5 years old. I bought this clay for this project and it's still moist enough to work. So that's impressive. I think what we're going for is like a very general shape, meaning I don't even know if I'm gonna do arms on them because honestly after doing arms on baby Jesus I think I'm better off not doing it and just doing it as like I'm doing the essence of people. She kind of looks like a pawn in chess. Okay. On to Joseph now. We just want to make sure the height looks right comparatively. Honestly, she looks a little misshapen. We're going for, you know, completing something you said you would do 5 years ago. Is it going to be perfect? Probably not, but it's good to get things done that you say you're going to do. I think it's going to be the right height compared to someone standing versus someone kneeling. He kind of looks like a ninja, but I don't know. Maybe he was. I wasn't there, so I don't know. I'm just saying. They said people came from the east. Who's to say it wasn't Japan? I have decided to make it look like hair. There he is. Now we get to do the fun stuff. We get to make some of the animals. That was always my favorite part. My hands are covered in clay. Oh shoot. He's too tall. He doesn't fit. I think I have to take this hay out. It's hot glue in there. Oh shoot. What is this? Industrial straight hot glue? Jeez. Oh, I've lost some twigs. That the hay is making it harder for these guys to stand. That's not bad. I myself, at a nativity play in elementary school, played a cow, and I did have a song, and I kid you not, in the play the cow's name was Beth. I'm pretty sure that's why the teacher made me a cow. I gotta say, I did get my just rewards because my singing and ridiculousness won the crowd over, and they were on the floor in tears laughing. Me going, "Moo, I'm a cow, moo." I mean, pretty much Doja Cat got that idea from me, so you're welcome. Sheep. Whew, shapes are hard, flippin' hard. Making these animals with zero reference to the actual animals that they look like, and we'll see what happens. Okay, now he looks like a kangaroo. Instead of using the toothbrush to give it the texture, I just ended up using the spear thingy that I found, and I think that that worked. He still kind of looks like, I don't know, part dinosaur, part mouse, but he's done. Okay, next we'll make a camel. What the heck does a camel even look like? I know they have really long legs and a really long neck and humps. Thus ends the list. Okay, so that way he has humps, lovely lady lumps, check it out. I don't actually remember the words. How does this also look like a turkey? Why is everything I'm making looking exactly like a turkey? I guess their legs should probably cross. Will that help? Will that make it look less like a turkey if I had their legs not cross? And I mean cross, not cross? I don't even know anymore. What are legs? Which makes no sense, Bethany. That's not how legs work. Oh no, we're defying science! We still have a really long neck to make, don't we? Alright. I feel like your tail is not centered on your body. We're defying science again! I don't even know what this looks like now. Does it look like a camel to you? Why does everything I make look like a turkey? I mean, I know this is the Christmas craft, but like, could at least one of them look like a ham? And why do their legs look like they're defying science? Once I went to a zoo in St. Louis, Missouri, and I got to feed a camel. I've also got to ride a camel when we were in Morocco. Yeah, so I should know what those look like. But honestly, I'm not sure I do. Oh my gosh, now it looks like a dinosaur. I think one ear is taller than the other. Symmetry is hard, even for nature. Like, my face is not symmetrical, so take that, nature. I just think that maybe in this particular story, this particular barn was where all the animals who need a little extra help were, because that's kind of what they look like, is just not exactly symmetrical or even. And I don't want to blame the artist, because she's really nice and funny, and I really like her. Either way, this is my camel. So we have made a camel, and we have made a sheep. What is next on the list? Pig? Let's do a pig. A little tiny little pig. Looks like I made the legs a lot bigger than the body, so he is quite the fat little pig. And I want to say he's the best. He's the best I did. Best one I made. I think it must be because I know the shape of a pig. My uncle actually used to farm pigs and bison, so I remember one time I was out in the pig pen and I fell into the mud and the poop, and it was really just the scariest thing ever as a child. Maybe I just know what a pig shape is. Thank you so much for watching our video. I really enjoyed making this craft. I think that it was something new I've never tried before, and I think I would definitely do it again. I am covered in clay, and it feels really great to work with something in your hands and to have something completed. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know what animal is your favorite. Let me know what craft you want to see next. I am here to share things I like and to have a lot of fun. Have a great night. We'll see you on the next one. Phone doesn't even recognize my finger because it's all covered in clay.